Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook your steak medium rare. First, select a steak at least 1½ inches thick for optimal results. Pat it completely dry with paper towels. This is crucial for a beautiful sear. Then, season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. Finally, let your steak sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before it hits the pan. This helps it cook more evenly. Now let's get that perfect crust. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over high heat until it's smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, such as grapeseed or avocado. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You're looking for a deep, rich brown crust. Remember, don't overcrowd the pan. Cook steaks one at a time if needed. Once seared, reduce the heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, a few cloves of crushed garlic, and some fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary to the pan. Baste the steak continuously for 2 to 4 minutes, flipping it once. Use an Instantride thermometer to check for an internal temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare. For thicker cuts, finish in a 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. The final, and arguably most important, step is resting. Transfer your beautifully cooked steak to a cutting board and tent it loosely with foil. Allow it to rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This resting period is vital because it redistributes all those delicious juices throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. Finally, slice your steak against the grain for maximum tenderness and enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.